to check memory and storage capacity on ASUS laptops. If you want to upgrade memory, HDD or SSD for your notebook, desktop, or the all-in-one PC, you need to check the technical specifications and the installed capacity of memory and storage on your ASUS devices. To check the memory and storage specs of your laptop, go to ASUS official website and search for your laptop model. Select Tech Specs on the product page. You can find memory specification here, the onboard memory type, current memory size, and the maximum memory capacity you can expand up. Same here for the storage specs. If you want to know the current installed memory and the storage installed information on your laptop or PC devices, you may find them in several places in Windows. Here, we will show you how to check these in MyASUS. Let's go to MyASUS first. In MyASUS, check on System Info. You can find the installed capacity of memory and the storage in the system hardware. To check on the capacity of memory and storage in the Windows system, right-click the Start button and select System. Here, you are able to find the installed memory capacity in the Install RAM section. Let's continue to check storage capacity. Right-click the Start button again and select Disk Management. It will display all the disks you are currently using, and here's the install capacity of your storage. If you want a memory or storage expansion, we will suggest you go to a local ASUS Authorized service center for a consultation to understand the best combination for your system. Here are all for today's video. Subscribe to our ASUS Support channel, like and share your comments. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.